Okay, here's the before, and I would argue that it doesn't look a whole lot different from the before, which I'll put footage in right now.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest. Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Back in the fall, I did an extreme closet declutter, and I'm gonna link that video up top, where I went through and I got rid of tons of clothes, and when I finished, I wasn't really satisfied. I felt like I didn't get rid of enough clothes, and I felt like I didn't have a real system for putting things in their right place. So I didn't have a dresser, I didn't really have any way to store clothes. I was using about 14 of these baskets. I'm still back in the same spot because those little baskets are really not functional. And so what ends up happening after I do the laundry is I end up just stuffing stuff there, not putting it up because I really don't have a place to put it. And when that's messy, I just don't really try with the rest of anything. So I end up with like everything in the floor. I already have another bag going of stuff that I'm gonna give away. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we did. I'm gonna show you the makeover process, the declutter process, and then the final reveal of the closet. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take down the shelving that's in here, and then go ahead and patch the walls and paint the walls and get ready for the new closet to come in. All right, so this is Gary's closet, and I've already put a few things in here. I'm getting ready to move as much of my clothes in here as I can, just so that I can go ahead and start working on my closet. I moved all my dresses out here. I'm gonna go through everything and get rid of stuff, but I'm not gonna do it until I get the closet done. I think I'll be more motivated to do it once I have somewhere to put them. So now I'm gonna take all these boxes out and the shoe thing. I think Katie wants the shoe thing, so I'm gonna take it up there to her. Okay, so everything's been taken out of here. As you can see, I still need to take these, I'm gonna take these racks off the wall. I have this little jewelry thing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take that off the wall. I may end up bringing that one back, I'm not really sure. Sorry it echoes in here now that nothing's in here. But we're gonna go ahead and start removing everything off the walls and then painting. Everything has landed in Gary's closet and then all over our bedroom. So there's all the stuff. And I have my dresses and a coat closet in the front of our house along with our coats.
And playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah, nah.
Okay, we got the painting done. We got the closet ripped out. We didn't paint this area over here because we didn't have enough paint and we were covering it up anyway. And we are building our first wardrobe. So we're consulting YouTube for a little bit more help. And pretty soon we'll have this going up.
Why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody.
Okay, so we've gotten the IKEA closet system built. My clothes are now spread around in various different locations in our house. A lot of it in Gary's closet, some of it at the front part of our house in like our coat closet. So I'm just gonna start gathering things together, putting them back on the bed. I'm gonna go through everything like I did before, but this time I'm gonna take out the stuff that I wear all the time and put that up first, just so that I don't have so many things to look at. And then from there, I'm gonna kind of organize things into types and then just determine how many I need of each thing. So I'm hoping that this will help me pare down my wardrobe even more than I did the first time. Actually, since I did part 1 of my closet declutter, I have already actually gotten a bunch of stuff like set aside, even before today. I've got this huge bag. This is like a contractor bag, not like a regular trash bag. I've got that. And then I've got this tote over here where I've got stuff set aside. And then I just have stuff sitting all over my room that I still need to go through.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy.
So this time with the hanging clothes, I started with a strategy of going ahead and putting everything that I know I wear all the time in my closet so that I didn't have as much staring at me. And then from there, I decided to go ahead and get rid of the things that I knew I didn't wear, and then try to decide with the other things that were left if I really needed them.
'Cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside. 'Cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside. 'Cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too.
So far here's where I'm at. I already had the big bag that was pretty much stuffed full, and I've added these 3 smaller bags of stuff that I'm going to get rid of. And I also have a stack of things that I need to try on, so I'm going to try those on tomorrow, and then I'll probably be keeping some and getting rid of some of those. And here's a visual of all the things that were on hangers that are now in a bag. And I have a lot of extra pink hangers, and Sophie really wants those in her closet, so we're going to go and switch out her hangers for these pink ones sometime this week. Okay, so as you come in the door, I have the mirror that used to be in our master bedroom in here. I got this little picture. This says Coffee Mascara Hustle. I got that at Hobby Lobby on sale. And then I hung my jewelry here. I actually had a different jewelry hanging thing, but somehow in the process of renovating this closet, we lost the piece that hangs on the wall, so I just picked this one up at Hobby Lobby. We did paint the wall. The color is Repose Gray, and that is the color of pretty much the rest of our house. I just wanted it to be neutral so that if we ever paint our bedroom, it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be neutral. Okay, so the main thing that we did was we installed these 3 IKEA Pax wardrobes. They are the largest size. And this closet's really narrow. And so here's the door. And when you come in, I didn't want to have a wardrobe like all the way to the door. So we had actually ordered 4 of these because I just measured, and 4 would definitely fit in here. But once we got these in here, we realized I didn't need that much storage, and having a ton of storage, as we proved from my previous closet, just means I'll have more junk in here. And B, or 2, whatever I just said, we just really wanted to create some space as you walk in the door. So we got 3 of these, and these are the largest ones. I have 1 shelf at the top of each one, and I've got only 3 pink baskets. I had like 14 before, and these up here, one of them's empty, one of them has scarves, and the other one has like a little tiny backpack that I use for field trips. And then at the top of the other 2, I just have my luggage. And then down here, I have coats and jackets, and then I have dresses, and then also my uniform for the company that my husband and I own. And then down here, I have 2 of the pull-out shoe shelves. All right, so I put this print on the back wall here just because it seemed really bare. And then this is my doll, collectible doll that I've had since I was a little girl. And this is a sweater that was my grandmother's that I always keep in my closet just to remember her. So those are just 2 special things that I wanted to leave, and that's where they were before. I added this little stool that I got from Amazon, and they have a ton of colors for this little stool, and I'll link that down below in case you are interested in that. In this middle section here, I really had way more hanging space than what I really need. There's actually a ton of hanging space left here. I just have it kind of like all, I had it kind of all spread out, but I still have a ton of space there that I'm really not using. And then over here, I have just a couple of like light hoodie jackets that I use, and then a couple of cardigans, and then just a bunch of empty space here. I have a ton of extra hangers, and I actually had so many extra hangers that I took the rest upstairs and just completely used them for Sophie's entire closet, and still have this many left over. And then this is basically the majority of my clothes. So I have tank tops and short sleeve shirts here on the left hand side, and then over here I have sweaters and long sleeve shirts hanging, and that's it for the hanging clothes. I do have a clothes bar here, but I didn't need it. So I just set a couple of things in here that I got at Hobby Lobby. This says start each day with a grateful heart. And then we got these flowers in the little vase. Those were considered part of the spring shop, so those were 50% off. And then this is my little jewelry box that I had from before. And then this is probably the biggest thing that's really helped me, is these drawers. And these drawers are huge. I really didn't even need all of the space. I've got 2 drawers like this that are mostly empty. I did get these dividers on Amazon, and that really helped a lot. Just kind of, because these drawers are so wide, it really organized everything and just kind of made it where it doesn't just fall over. So yeah, I really probably only needed 3 drawers if I would have just kind of combined everything. I spread it out a little bit. We ordered 6 drawers, and we ordered 4 of the shoe things, and we ordered 4 of these cabinets, and we're using all of the rest of those extras for Gary's closet, so we didn't need any of that. So once we kind of built all of this and got it in here, I really was committed to getting rid of more stuff. I'm probably still going to go through the dresses and get rid of a few more of these, and I did a better job with my winter dresses. I think I kept about 4 of those winter dresses, but with the summer dresses, I kind of want to wait until spring and summer and kind of see what I'm wearing and get rid of a few more of those then. So this is a little rug we found for $10 at Ross, and put that there. And this little print here that we got at Hobby Lobby, I was able to use a 40% off coupon for that print. and I just like the white and black there. And then up here, I got an over the door like hook thing, and I put my 3 purses there. And then there was already a command hook on the back of the store, so I just hung my robe on that. And that is pretty much everything. And this is what the giveaway pile looked like at the end when we finally finished. So I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute, as well as just super, super functional, which was the main thing that I wanted. I just really wanted a closet that wouldn't stress me out, and that I wouldn't feel like I always had to shut the door because it was just so stressful to look at. So we are in the process of doing Gary's closet right now, and we've already ripped out the wire shelving, we've already painted the walls, and we have everything ordered, and it should be here tomorrow. So I think it will not take us long to go ahead and get his done as well. So we're really excited to have both of them done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.